If a fighter jet is flying straight ahead, then why doesn't it fire a missile backward? Well, that's because physics makes things a bit tricky here. When a fighter jet is moving forward, the missile inside it also has the same forward speed. So, to fire the missile backward, its initial forward speed would first need to be reduced to 0. Only then could it start moving in the opposite direction, which is extremely difficult to achieve. Now, if the jet is being chased and wants to attack the enemy behind it during a dogfight, the pilot usually pulls the jet upward, then turns it around, and fires the missile after gaining the right position.